You want to day trade for a living, but you know you will need to have a big account to do that. So you can put all of your money on the line, or you can go a different route, and that is the funded route. But becoming a funded trader can still cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. In this video I will show you how you can become a 400k funded trader or even more with only $50 at risk. So first of all I want to say, before you start doing this and before you are even trying a funded challenge, I want you to be a profitable trader first. So you have done the hard work. You have gone to multiple of demo accounts. You even traded live on small accounts and you are profitable for multiple months in a row. So if you've done that, we can go over to the next step. You are going to buy a 5k challenge. And with my forex funds, the 5k challenge costs $50. So this is our starting point. You can also use other funding companies. They may have sales going on, they may have discounts. I can't recommend them because I've never traded with them. I've only traded with my forex funds, ftmo and lark funding. And this year will be the year that I will be branching out my prop firms. But for now on, I can only recommend those three. So let's say you start with my forex funds, the 5k account, because ftmo doesn't have that and lark funding also doesn't have that. 5k account is the smallest challenge that you can start. And another disclaimer, don't do this with your last $50, okay? Because we are going to basically be very aggressive with its $50. Okay, so what you're gonna do. On this 5k account, you have a 12% drawdown limit, a 5% a day drawdown limit, and you have an 8% target for phase 1. So basically what I like to do is to take a really aggressive approach and risk 2% right off the bat on your first trade. Make sure this is your A+ setup trade, okay? The trade looks perfect, the trade ticks all of your boxes, and even if you're not risking 2%, this is very important that your first trade on a challenge is a winner. Not only for your equity, but also for your psychology. So then, depending on your strategy, I want you to be aiming for at least 2R. So if this 2% is a winner, you will get 4% out of this. And why am I saying at least 2R? If you're aiming for bigger trades and you can aim for a 4 times your risk return, so basically a 4 risk to reward trades, you will pass the challenge in 1 trade. That easy, right? That easy. And some of you are already typing, yo, this is gambling, don't trade like this, he's teaching you the wrong way. No, this is trading. This is trading. I'm so tired of everyone being so conservative, so trading so safely, and basically getting stuck around that 1-2% in profit, 1% in drawdown, making their way to the 30 days. Bro, why is it taking so long? These are just the challenges, and I want to fly through these challenges as quickly as possible so that I can become a funded trader. I don't want to be stuck on these challenges. So if this is your way of trading and you want to use 50 trades to pass your challenge, be my guest, okay? But if you're only risking $50, guys, you can get a job right now and you make $100 a day. You can buy 2 challenges a day with that money, right? If you're paying rent, buying groceries, barely making it at the end of the month, you can still find 1 evening shift to get that $50, okay? So this $50, it's nothing. And I really want you to adapt that mindset, because once you do, you will look at money differently. And by the way, also another thing, look at it like this. Some people buy 1 100k account and they get 1 opportunity to get funded. We can buy 10 funding challenges to get that same opportunity to get funded. And okay, we're not getting the same returns in the end, but I will teach you how you can get there with much less risk. So if you're aiming for 2R, you need another trade to aim for 2R, and both of those need to be winners. Let's say you're losing trades, you have 6 trades to lose in a row without winning any of them before you lose the account, okay? That's still plenty enough if you're a profitable trader, okay? And if you're encountering a losing streak, again, it's only $50. We go over to phase 2. Now you need 5% to pass. We do the same thing. Risk 2% and aim for a 2.5R trade. This way you will pass phase 2 and 1 trade. Again, you have 12% drawdown, so you can again lose 6 trades in a row before you lose the challenge. Okay, let's say we also win this one. Now we are funded, but it's only 5k like we said, so it's nothing to write home about. Again, risk 2%. Risk 2% for a 2 to 4R position. And this will result you in the end with the end goal of an 8% return. So you will work your way up to that 8% return. Once you reach that, you stop trading for the month because you have to wait 30 days before you can get your payout. That's the only downside of my forex funds, that you need to wait 30 days before you can request your first withdrawal, okay? After that you can request them faster, but doesn't really matter anyway, because we only need that first withdrawal. So this first withdrawal will give you an 8% return, and that will be $400. But on your first withdrawal, you can only take home 75% because 25% goes to my forex funds. This will leave you with $300. You will also get the refund of your challenge, so you will be left with $350. Guys, this will be enough to buy yourself a 50k account. A 50k account costs $300, so this is perfectly your profit that you made on this 5k account. Plus you will also still have your 5k account and an additional $50 to do this all over again. Now on the 50k account, we're going to repeat the same process. And remember, the first trade needs to be an A+ setup trade. It needs to be the most perfect trade, takes all of your boxes, risking 2%. And you have to think about it like this. The only risk that you had was that $50. And right now, you're risk-free because your 5k account has been refunded already. So you make your 8% on phase 1, you make your 5% on phase 2. Now I want you to risk 1% on this 50k account and aim for 2R trades only. This will give you the highest win rate and this will give you the most probability that your take profit will get hit. So each trade will give you $1,000 on this account. And this is already huge. This is great money that you can use to support your lifestyle, okay? But we're going to that 400k mark because that is where the life-changing money is at. So depending on your risk management, I want you to quit when you're at least $1,400 in profit. And if you reach that point, my advice would be to quit trading for the month because again, you need to wait 30 days in order to withdraw this money. Why 1400? We only take 75% home and 25% is for my forex funds. So this will leave you with a little bit over $1,000. This is important because the $100,000 challenge only costs $500. So you can buy that one twice now. And you still have your 5k account and your 50k account. And even if you blow them, it doesn't really matter. So I want you to keep trading on your 5k, on your 50k, but this you are going to do conservative, okay? Because now you're a funded trader and now you can actually use the account that makes you money. So from this money, you can trade, you can withdraw it, you can live your life, you can buy stupid things, you can buy whatever you want, but make sure you still focus on the job and you keep money in the bank to do this process all over again if you might fail, okay? With the 100k challenge, you're going to do the exact same thing. 2% right off the bat, A+ setup, 8% target. Do this twice and you're funded with 100k. This already, guys, you are 155k funded. It is life-changing money. You can make 10 grand a month, you can make 20 grand a month even. It's insane, right? But we are going to go further than this. And now in this 100k account, risk 1%, take a 2R home and stop trading for the month. You will be coming home from that withdrawal with 1.5k because again you get 75% of the first withdrawal. And then it is time for the last step, the 200k challenge. This one costs $1,000 and you withdrew 1500, and from that last challenge you also have 500 left if you pass the 100k in one time. So this again gives you 2 chances to pass the 200k challenge with basically again only $50 risk. And for this one, guys, you can take your time because this is the last step in the process. You can risk 1% or you can risk 2%. If it works, why would you change it? And I know this hypothesis is based on that you win basically every single trade that you take, and that's not going to happen, okay? You're going to lose trades, you're going to encounter losing streaks, and you are going to lose accounts. But as long as you remember that the only risk that you have in this challenge is $50, you will be fine. And yes, you're only 355k funded. Do this again for a 50k challenge and there you go, you're a 400k funded trader. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something from it, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.